Hi friends, today we are going to discuss some practice questions on how to find the type of the carbon. In the previous lecture, we discussed how to find the primary carbon, secondary, tertiary. So today we are going to discuss some example. First example. So what is primary carbon? The carbon directly attached to the carbon. So this is primary carbon. And the carbon directly attached to the one carbon, primary. Here the carbon directly attached to the one carbon, primary carbon, and this carbon is directly attached to the three carbons, so it is called a tertiary carbon. The primary carbon is 1, secondary carbon is 0, tertiary carbon is 1, quaternary carbon is 0. And here this is a primary carbon attached to the only one carbon, primary carbon, primary carbon, primary carbon. And this carbon directly attached to the two carbons, so it is secondary carbon. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quaternary carbon. The primary carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4. Secondary carbon is 1. There is no tertiary carbon. Quaternary carbon is 1. And in this case, so this is directly attached to the one carbon, so it is primary carbon. It is also directly attached to the one carbon, primary, and it is directly attached to the one carbon, primary, and this is directly attached to the one carbon, primary. This is primary, and this carbon attached to the two carbons, so it is secondary, and this is attached to the three carbons, tertiary, and this is quaternary. And the primary carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Secondary carbon is 1, tertiary carbon is 1, and quaternary carbon is 1. It is clear?